My people, please don't bring anybody down for you to rise. Whether your wife or your husband, your friend, or even your enemy. Because everybody has been destined to be great. It's just a matter of time. Although it may be delayed, but delay is not denial. That is just the secret of being great in life. Thank you for listening. Bye.